Hello! We made it to LA. Record. And we have to get at the same time, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Hello! Oh, you didn't say hi.
Was I supposed to?
Yeah!
I didn't know what the
Hello! We made it to LA. We got in yesterday. It was a gloomy day in LA. I'll insert some clips of what we got into. But we just basically chilled for the rest of the night. Today, we have a lot of fun things planned. Mel is unfortunately a little sick.
A little.
So we're gonna get some good old American drugs for her. And then get some breakfast. So see you there! How was breakfast, Mel?
It was so good.
As you can tell. So, we made it to Griffith Park. As you can see, the observatory is kind of behind me. It's an uphill battle for sure. We are out of shape, so this kind of sucks. Mel can't even speak because she's so out of breath.
That's the reason I can't speak.
She's also sick. Anyways, yeah, hiking gals. Hot here, guys. It is hot, and I know this is what I wanted, but I actually have a light sweat going. These Canadian gals just can't handle that. We made it to the other Hollywood sign lookout. Again, everything's on a freaking incline here, so we're out of breath. And we're supposed to do a hike that goes like all the way like behind the sign.
But we can't find it.
Can't find it, and also we might actually die.
We might die. I need to.
Okay, so update. We decided not to hike up to the sign for many reasons.
Yes, one of which is I might die.
Yeah, it's because of Melissa and Melissa only.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, so we're gonna have a little, that looks like fun. We're gonna have a little change of plans and go get coffee, what else is new? And then probably go to the pier, the beach. Let's get away. Currently at Palisades Park, and guess what we found? Well, I'll show you the next clip. We found those houses. That's Melissa, the black house, and I'm the pink house.
Drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly?
We have nothing to update you guys on, but look how pretty the sunset is.
Amount of spice. such. I'm in a loop and everyone's desire. She's out to get you. You can't run, you can't hide. She's something mystical, they color lights. I say, so far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, well, baby, don't you be surprised. Lifted, drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar.
Always gonna be an uphill battle, and you're always gonna want to make it move.
Sugar, how you get so fly? Oh, sugar, how you get so fly? Say, sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? But you won't get me tonight.
Good morning. Today we're headed to Malibu. We're very excited.
It never fades away. It's staying. Your kiss like broken glass on my skin. And all the greatest love ending violence is tearing up my bones left inside. Baby, it hits so hard, holding on to my chest. Baby, you left your mark, reminding me to forget. It doesn't matter where you are, you can keep my regrets. Baby, I got these scars, reminding me to forget. Reminding me I got these scars. Get your love, reminding me, oh, get your love.
We're currently on a vertical hike. Honestly, we don't know if this path goes to where we need to be going, so I hope it's worth it. The vibes, man. We're just out here experiencing things. Stop and smell the roses. No, don't come back. We made it to the first viewpoint, but we have to get up there. See you there! Cactuses. It's always gonna be an uphill battle. I'm always gonna make it. Na 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 na, but I get there. Sometime I'm gonna have to lose.
Your mark, reminding me to forget. Doesn't matter where you are, you can keep my regrets. Baby, I got these scars, reminding me to forget.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock. Gals on Rodeo Drive.
Let's stop at Hermes.
Hermes, Louis Vuitton, with all my loads of money. Hydra Michael Kors Mel.
Holding on to my chest, maybe you left your mark, reminding me to forget.
Just say that we're in Laguna now.
Hi everyone. I'm gonna emulate my hi everyone. So we've made it to Laguna and we're at Heisler Park. Look, it's pretty.
Very pretty. Good job, Mel. on our hike. We're gonna spend the next little while drinking our tea lattes. And then read our books. I'll show you guys the view, but it's a vibe. This is the view.
This is the aforementioned.
Yes, yes.
All the wonders that remain become a simple fact. You are out of my league. All the things I believe. You were just the right kind. Yeah, you were more than just a dream. You were out of my league. Got my heartbeat racing. If I die, don't wake me. 'Cause you are more than just a dream.
So we're leaving for Palm Springs today, but we wanted to get one last look at the beach, and look at this. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous morning. Now can't take our eyes off the ocean. Hello everyone, we're on our way to Palm Springs and we got our first taste of like pretty bad LA traffic. We came prepared though, don't worry, we got our snacks,
We got snacks.
we got the playlist, Mel got our snacks.
I remembered my sunglasses. So I got to see.
We'll see you guys at Palm Springs in 2 hours and 46 minutes, inshallah.
Hopefully then.
It's you, and I'm not getting over it. Darling, is it true? I'm starving when it comes to this. I guess we're in time. You're getting yourself over me. I guess you're all mine. You're sleeping in this bed. I just think you're cool. I dig your sin. Don't know why, but it feels so right to me.
Update the people now.
We found a street fair. It happens every Thursday except for Thanksgiving.
Yes.
We're in Palm Springs.
Oh yeah, we're in Palm Springs. Update, we had checked out of our hotel room, so I'm on the struggle bus right now and doing my makeup by the pool. Today's our last day, so we're kind of sad, gals. Our flight is very late, so around 11 p.m, so we still have a full day planned. We're gonna go to the desert, so that'll be really exciting, and on top of the mountains. Very exciting, so see you there. Mel, you look like you're thriving.
I'm really. I reading.
I just think you're cool. I dig your sin.
We have found ourselves in the snow. We're just two Canadian gals who came to escape the snow, but it follows us wherever we go. Anyways, we're on a hike. It's supposed to be 0.7 miles, 0.75 miles, which we don't know what that means because it's miles, but I think the guy...
I think it might be a kilometer.
Like a kilometer hike. We're definitely not prepared for the hike. It's 2 degrees. Mel is in her flannel.
It's not the cold.
Yeah, it's icy, it's cold. But we're determined this time to be serious hikers. Stay tuned to see what we find.
It's you, and I'm not getting over it. Darling, is it true? I'm starving when it comes.
Alright guys, that about sums up our trip. We're back at the airport, about to board our flight. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.
I guess you